Good morning, everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. Now, I am topic is in bus structure. When a world of data is transferred between units, all its bits are transferred in parallel. The bits are transferred simultaneously over the many wires or lines, one bit per line. A group of lines or wires are connected to internal communication of a computer that is called a bus structure. The bus structure can actively connected or modeled in input, output, CPU and memory. The lines are carry the data are to be only one transfer data at the time. Two units can actively used in bus structure. One is a single bus structure, second one is in a multiple bus structure. Single bus structure is in a low cost. It is flexibility for attaching the several devices. The single buses is an interconnection bus structure is called the single bus structure. There are five functional units are used in this process. There are all units are connected. The common bus is called the single bus is only the two units two units can communicated in the system bus. The single buses are used in processor, memory and input output processor. Next one is multiple buses. Multiple buses can achieve the more concurrency operation of following the two or more transferred to be carried out in the same time. It is the better performance and increasing the cost. The multiple buses is number of devices are connected to the buses. There are two major reasons. One is more devices are connected to common bus to the buses. The buses among the take a devices. Sharing the mechanism or coordinating the use of the different devices. Take a coordination record the multiple buses. Find it the time called the propagations and delays. When aggregate the transfer the data approaches the capacity of the buses in the multiple buses. The multiple buses is a two configuration process. One is an system bus, second one is an expansion buses. The bus structure is commonly approached to use the concept of buffering register to hold the content during the transfer. There are three types of buses. One, data bus, address bus, control bus. Data bus. The data bus carries or transfers the data from one component to another component. The data bus consists of 8, 16, 32 lines or more parallel signal lines are connected. The data bus lines are the bidirectional. That means the CPU can read the data on the line from memory or from a port as well as send the data on these lines to memory location. The data bus connected in parallel to several devices. Next one is an address bus. Address bus. Address bus is an unidirectional buses. It is a send the lines of data transfer the address information about where in memory the data is to be transferred or from. The address bus is consist of 16, 20, 24 lines or more parallel signal lines. On this, the CPU send out the address is the memory location or input output port to be written to or read from. Next, the control unit. The control bus. The control bus is carries the control and timing information. The control bus is lines regulated the actively on the buses. The CPU some signals on control the bus enable to output address memory devices or port devices. These are called as in control buses. Control bus also called as noun output of the bus structure. Thank you.